In 2025, something strange is happening inside the tech world. The once ironclad career of software development, long hailed as the golden ticket to job security, is now filled with uncertainty, especially for junior developers. Why? Because artificial intelligence is no longer just helping coders. It's starting to replace them. Tools like GitHub Copilot X, GPT 4.5-powered coding assistants, and AI IDEs like Cursor and Codium are now writing entire blocks of production-ready code with nothing more than natural language instructions. What used to take a team of junior engineers 2 weeks can now be done in 2 hours by a senior dev with the right AI tools. And just like that, the industry is shifting. At first, these tools were hailed as productivity boosters. Copilot was your AI pair programmer, meant to save time on boilerplate code, syntax, or debugging. But as the models got smarter, so did their capabilities. By 2024, developers were using AI to write entire functions, generate API endpoints, convert codebases, and even refactor legacy systems. And in 2025, AI isn't just helping, it's thinking. It can now suggest architecture patterns, write test cases, generate documentation, and even predict bugs before deployment. It's no longer a sidekick, it's becoming the star of the team. And that has junior developers asking a terrifying question: am I still needed? The answer, unfortunately, isn't simple, because while AI is amazing at doing, it still struggles with understanding. Yes, it can write a login page in React or build a REST API in Node, but does it know why it should be built a certain way for a specific business case? Not really. It doesn't know user intent, stakeholder goals, or long-term maintenance headaches. That's where human developers still shine, thinking critically, solving ambiguous problems, making trade-offs. But here's the kicker: those are senior-level skills. And juniors? They're stuck in the middle. They don't yet have the strategic mindset of seniors, and they're no longer needed for grunt work because AI does that better and faster. What's worse is how the hiring landscape is changing. Startups that used to hire 5 junior devs to ship an MVP now hire 1 senior and give them AI tools. Boot camps are producing graduates who can't land jobs, not because they're bad, but because the entry-level ladder has been pulled out from under them. Big tech companies are quietly reducing headcount in junior roles, automating internal tools and scripts that used to be learning opportunities, and while the senior engineers are adapting, mentoring less and shipping more, the pipeline of future talent is being starved. But it's not all doom and gloom. Because the developers who adapt are finding new superpowers, the smart juniors aren't competing against AI, they're learning how to orchestrate it. They're becoming prompt engineers, system thinkers, AI tool builders. They're combining soft skills with tech, learning DevOps, product thinking, and cross-functional leadership. In 2025, being a good coder isn't about memorizing syntax. It's about solving business problems with the right combination of AI and human insight. And the juniors who understand this, they're not just surviving, they're thriving. The real threat isn't AI, it's stagnation. If you rely on Stack Overflow answers and copy-pasted code, AI will replace you. But if you can learn how to guide AI, challenge it, correct it, and build with it, you become 10x more valuable. Because here's the secret: AI isn't creative. It doesn't understand your client's weird niche problem. It doesn't know your CTO's obsession with clean architecture. It doesn't care about user experience, accessibility, or long-term scaling. You do. And that's where your value lies. Still, the landscape is changing fast. If you're a junior developer in 2025, you can't afford to be passive. You have to specialize. Learn how to use AI tools deeply. Build a portfolio that shows business impact, not just code. Get comfortable writing prompts, not just functions. And above all, stay curious, because the job title developer is evolving into something brand new. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of work, AI, and tech. Drop a comment. Do you think AI will fully replace junior devs? Or are we just in the middle of a massive transformation where new roles are being born?